Hey, what's going on, y'all? Check it out. We finna do a try. My wife, she picked this up a couple of weeks ago. And I seen a few YouTubers, they did some reviews on their pasta dishes. So I said, let me try this lasagna. Might impress me, I never know. So anyway, this is what it looks like in the package. Now we have microwave instructions and oven instructions. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do mine in the oven. You know, get the best chance for me anyway. Cause I know I don't really do that in microwave. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So yeah, as far as the oven instructions go, we looking at preheating the oven at 375 degrees and baking for an hour. So let's go ahead and do that.
Now halfway through, I went on and checked it just to see how it was doing. And it looked like it was doing pretty good. So I went on, left it in the oven, let it do this thing. Oh yeah, now it's ready. It's time to taste this bad boy, y'all. Time to taste it. Of course, we gotta let it cool down a little bit, but we definitely need to taste it. Now, taking it out the oven, the instructions say to go ahead and move this film to let it cool off, and that's exactly what we did. And yeah, that steam you see is still hot. After cooling for about 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and cut into it, y'all. So I cut mine into 4 different slices. So let's go ahead and get us a piece out so we can see what it tastes like. I mean, it smells pretty good. And yeah, it's cool. Let me go in for another bite just to make sure. Yeah, I mean, it's tasty, y'all. It actually is pretty tasty. But they call this a meat lasagna. I mostly taste the ricotta cheese and the sauce. But hey, I can't complain about it. It's pretty tasty. Now, I'm not actually sure what my wife paid for this. That would definitely change my mind if it costs a little bit too much. But hey, to me, it's pretty tasty, I have to say. But it's definitely not medium. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this last little bite, y'all. And y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.